decided to use my griddle pan to cook my sausage for my sausage and shrimp broccoli casserole. And as you can see, it's got 16 grams of fat, 2 grams of carbohydrates, and 19 grams. That's per link. So that's a good thing. And I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 links. Now I just have some fresh raw shrimp that I got from Costco. I'm getting ready to take the tails off, and then I'm going to season them with some Old Bay seasoning and maybe some garlic powder or something like that. So they got a really good char going to them. I'm gonna let them cook for a few more minutes, and then I'm gonna take them off and I'm gonna slice. All right, the shrimp are just about done, and what I've included in the pan was 1/4 cup of coconut oil that I get from Costco. The shrimp that I got from Costco is in the season, so I'm just going to keep all of that and the juices from the coconut oil, and I'm going to add that to a dish while I prep the stuff for the rest of the casserole. So now at this point, I'm ready to get everything together. I'm going to measure. It's really important when you start the food prep that you measure the food, because the cup size and the weight size are totally different. So 1 serving of broccoli is 85 grams, so I'm gonna do 3 of those. See right there, that's almost like 1 cup. So I may do more than a cup. It seems that it may come out that way. But however, I want to weigh it. That's 2 cups. That's about 3, 4. I'm just gonna weigh it out until I feel like I have enough, but I'm gonna remember my measurements. I'm gonna write it down as to how much this weighs, so I can kind of know when I start to break this up. I can know what the micronutrients are. So I'm gonna go with 800 grams. 800 grams divided by 85. So let's just round that up to 90. So that's about 9 cups of broccoli. 8 cups of broccoli. 9 times 8 is 72. 90. You kind of do the math with that. So I'm gonna use 7.5 cups of broccoli. So no casserole would be complete if you don't have any cheese. So I'm gonna do 2 cups of cheese. I think. I'll see what it look like. I don't use a measuring cup, so I'm going to weigh it. So 8 ounces is 226 grams. So as you see, I got my spool scale here. Oh, I said 228. I put too much in there. That's 1 cup, so I'm going to add that. I had to change pots because it was too big. So that's 1 cup right there. I may be good with 1.5 cups. So I'm gonna do half of that, and I think that'll be enough. So sometimes a whole cup does not even look like this, and so when you weigh it out, you normally get way more for your money, and you've weighed it so you know it's accurate. So we're gonna do half of 228, which is 114. I can live with that. So then I'm just going to add some heavy whipping cream, and I'm gonna add some cream cheese, and then I'm gonna whip this up. So I've added the cream and different stuff, and I mixed it up. So now I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna put it in the oven for about 35 minutes, and I'll take a look at it, and I'll be back. So I got a broccoli, shrimp, sausage casserole that I'm making. Hopefully it's keto friendly. So all those people who are on keto, if you can chime in and tell me how I can do something different, and some cheese and some heavy whipping cream in here to help. So I'm here in my living room sitting at the table. I'm getting ready to start portioning out my food. So I have my containers. I got these from Costco's. And then I have my food scale. So I'm going to turn my food scale to, I'm going to use ounces because that kind of makes sense. And so my recipe, I said I was going to make 12 portions. So I'm truly not sure how many portions I'm going to come out with, but I'm going to show you how I do this. So I just simply put it on, I zero it out, and I just start scooping it out. And so I'm thinking I'm going for about 12 ounces. I'll just do it by the way it looks. So there we go. That's about 12 ounces. And so now I'm going to portion out the rest. So after I've portioned everything up, I came up with about 10 portions out of that pan. So I thought I would make 12, but so I'm going to just readjust that recipe in my Fitness Pal, and I'll show you, I'll screenshot you what that recipe looks like and the calorie and micronutrition of it. But this is going to be good. This is 10 servings, so I'm going to be good for at least a week with this if I eat this twice a day, or if I eat it once a day, which I may do. I'm gonna be good for like almost a week and a half. So comment, subscribe, let me know what y'all want to see.